Oh, there's a few more vehicles down there. Looks like there's somebody down there looking for geodes. There's quite a few of them around here. See, there's neutral. Oh, look, they've added those concrete things down there to try and, I'm guessing, try and keep people from driving around down there. I'd like to go down there and screw around, but I'm not going to do it when there's people down there. It's not worth maybe getting in trouble. Yeah, I don't know that this damn thing is going to wheelie the kind of wheelies that I know. I only know how to do a power wheelie, man. So, Drew, you may be out of luck on seeing a wheelie on the Hawk anytime soon, because I'm going to have to learn how to do clutch wheelies. But that's the boat ramp here. Hellfire! Damn pine tree branch came down and tore some shit up.